Hello, my name is Simonas Audikis and I come from Lithuania company called Beehive. I'm the tech lead and a senior project manager. Today I would like to present our system called SwarmSense. So it's a beehive monitoring system which allows real-time decision making. So the technology consists of the sensors that we monitor the beehives internally and externally, and we have a software where the data is visualized for the end user. So the software also consists of the alert and notification system for the end user to make fast interaction or preventive measures to the beehives. So it's very user-friendly. Anyone can install it in the beehives, and the main benefits is to harvest more from the beehives without intrusion by the farmer. The other benefits is that we know in real time whether the predators like mice, wasp, or other things happening in the beehive in real time, and the end user can monitor the health of the bees via the dashboard on the desktop or on the mobile app, and it can be accessed remotely via the internet connection anywhere in the world. Thank you.